We're trying to make it look like we didn't try. We don't have makeup on, even though we do. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do your makeup in under like 10 minutes, under 15 minutes. When you're like in a hurry, this is what you should do. If you hear Jen in the background, just know she's there. She's jumping around like always. So
hey! Welcome to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell. Goodbye!
I already put moisturizer on. Anyways, I already put moisturizer, so now I'm just gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. And when you're like in a hurry, you always need to put primer because your face still needs to be looking good. And you still want your skin to look good, you know. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with our foundation, but we're not gonna use a foundation, we're gonna use a concealer. And the one concealer that I've been loving lately is the Milani Concealer Perfect, this little one. Just gonna put this all over. Oh my god, I didn't realize I was breaking out so bad. We're gonna use a kabuki brush to just blend everything in. This is the one that I use. I don't know where I got it, but you can use any one that you like. And we're just gonna like buff it in very quickly. Like this is like a quick step. When usually like my foundation like takes like so long, this step is like really easy and like fast. See how full coverage that is? Like, oh my god, I look so white on here. I really don't look this white in person, trust me. Pin it like good. There you go. Oh, I got foundation in my hair and all that. Okay, after that, just go in like very quickly with the beauty blender, beauty sponge, and looking like a ghost up in this. Okay, so the next thing you're gonna do is after you're done making sure there's no like creases and all that, because we don't really like want to trust that brush too much. The brush will just like disperse all the product. We're gonna go in with our setting powder, and the one I'm using is a pretty vulgar one. I honestly have no idea where the top went. Like I lost it like right now. I'm looking like a ghost times like to the maximum ghostness. I have powder in my eyeball to make sure that this concealer does not crease, because concealer, you know how thick it was, more chances of creasing. Jen's just going in circles over there. What are you doing? Honestly, like what? The next thing we're gonna do is like quickly do our face makeup, like the contour palette, contour, highlight, and blush right quick. Alright, so I'm going with the Balm Cosmetic blush, and this is really pigmented, but it's gonna give me my face back. Okay, I think that's good enough. And then we're gonna go in with some contour. We're gonna use this palette, the Wet n Wild one, and we're gonna go in because we're looking white and we do not like that. But we're gonna also like just do subtle. Like we're not gonna do like a full like beat. Very subtle. Now look, I look like I have a face again. My face doesn't look like it's like 10 shades whiter than my body. We're good. So the next thing is highlight. I use this like fat, thick this thick brush right here with this highlight from Smashbox palette, Smashbox Spotlight Palette Pearl. So we're just gonna take that middle color right here, and we're gonna slightly, just to make it look like we got some like high definition. What's wrong? What happened? You hurt yourself? Jen hurt herself, so she's kind of sad. But she wants to join us on our little 10-minute makeup.
It's my turn to do the makeup.
Maybe tomorrow we could do my makeup. If you guys want to see Jen do my makeup, then give this video a very huge, giant, big thumbs up, and we'll record Jen doing my makeup. And she's really excited, even though she doesn't look like she's excited. Yeah! Okay, well, continue watching the video. And then with whatever's on the brush, like we're just gonna like kind of like lightly just like carve your eyebrow, but like lightly, you know, so it doesn't look like too harsh and like you tried. Like we're trying to make it look like we didn't try. We don't have makeup on, even though we do. Okay, so now that I have eyebrows, we're gonna go in with the Maybelline Great Lash, and this is like lash glue, so like your eyelashes are gonna stay in place. Going with our Fenty Beauty lip gloss. And now we're literally glowing. Last step to this is mascara, and it really gets them up. It gets them up there. Okay, so this makeup look only took about like 15 minutes, like tops. I think it took more, I don't know. But if I was in a hurry, obviously, and if I wasn't recording, then this would have taken like 10 minutes, 8 minutes. This, you got this. Like, you can achieve this, especially if you're in a hurry, like you got work and you ain't trying to, like, you're trying to get all the sleep you want, all the sleep you need before work. I used to do that. When I would work, I would be like sleeping to the last second. Like, I would just put my shit on, I would put my clothes on, put everything, and just dip out the door. I would time it and I would get there like right on time. Okay, so if you guys like this video, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys like this, and yeah, have a good day.